chapter. Factorizing is opposite procedure to expanding. It's going backward. Now we did last week expanding. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times minus 5. Should be minus 15. That's wrong. And factorizing is opposite. If you write this one, 3 times 2x minus 5, we are going to expand 6x minus 15. When you factorize, you come in backward. Factor is 3. Common to these two terms, this term 6x and 15. I mean, it can be divided both numbers. Give me 1 minute, I bring the charger. Now, next one, actually, they are given 12x plus x, 18xy. Now we are going to backward. There will be, because two terms here, we need two numbers here. First, looking at this one, highest common factor, 12 and 18 can be divided by 2, we can divide it. 3, we can divide it. 4 can't, 6. Then we can divide by 6 maximum. Then we take the 6 out. We write from front. And also x is a common number. Then x will also, common is a factor. Then we get the x out. Then put the x here. Then factor is 6x. What is the number we want to put it here to get that 12x? It's a 2. 2 times 6, 12. X is x. And here 18. Then here we need 3. And also y left here. Because x already there, then we need a y. Then bracket is 2 plus 3y. Factor is 6x, 2 plus 3y. Okay, can you write down?
Yeah, I write down.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now we are going to find the factors, highest common factor, 15x and 21y. 15x, 21y. Then you look at the 15, look at the 21. Maximum number you can divide it is 3. Then x is here, but there's no x here, this number. X is not common. X is not factor. Also y also, only one number here, not here. Then only we call HCF, highest common factor, is 3. Right? Write down. And also next one, 10a plus 20c. 10a and 20c. If you're looking at these two numbers, only integer number is 10 is the common, highest. Then 10 is a factor. HCF is 10. If it is A is not common for both, find the common number for both. And next one, 18x, y and 6x. I clear this all. 18x, y and 6x. Highest number, it can be divided by 2 both. 18 divided by 2, 6 can be divided. Also 3, you can divide it 18, 3, 6 can 6. And go for 6. Yes, 6, 18 can divide by 6. And 6x can be divided. Then highest common factor is 6. Also looking at this, they have common x. See, then you can divide by x also. Then answer will be 6x, but y cannot. All right. Okay. Now these 3, can you try the highest common factor? I give 5 minutes.
Yeah.
20 and 35, 18 and 24b. What is the number both can be divided?
5.
Yeah, good job. 5. Second one. (18 and 24). Try first 2. Yes, you can divide both 18 and 24, right? What is the next number you try? 3. Yes, it can be. Try 4. No, 18 can't. 5 can't. 6.
6, 8, yeah.
Yeah, 3, 6, 18 divided by 6, 3, 24 divided by 6, 4. Then 6. What else? Common. A or B? Which one common?
A.
Yeah, good job. A. Then answer will be 6A. That's very easy, see? That is the highest common factor. Then what is the next one?
The ray can get divided into.
Yeah, 12 can be divided by 2, but 15 can't.
3.
Then 3. That's right. Good job. 3. How about x?
X.
3x. Yeah. That is factors. Now we are going to write factorize the expression. I will take the factor out and I will do 1 or 2. And we will try to do all this. First one, 6x plus 15 is an expression. We are going to factorize. Now you learn how to get the common highest factor. Looking at this, what is the highest common factor?
Which one?
This one. 6x plus 15.
So you can get divided into 6 and 15.
6 can divide by 2, but 15 can't. Then next number 3, right?
I said 3.
Put 3, then you have to write bracket. And first try what is the number you want to put it here. When you multiple, you get this number. You think what should be there?
3.
If you put 3 times 3, 9.
2.
2. right? Good job. And how do you get the x? You need the x remainder, right? 3 times 2x, 6x. Plus mark there. And what is the number you need to get? 15.
5.
5. That's it. 2 steps. One is find the highest common factor, get the bracket, figure out which number should be in there by multiple, right? Then I will do this one also. 12a plus 18b, 18ab, right? Now, what is the common highest factor?
Um.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6.
6. Good job. 6. Any other numbers? Letters?
A.
6a. Good job. Then bracket. Not b. B is not coming. Then when you multiple, you have to get 12a. What should be the number here?
2.
2. That's right. 6a plus minus multiple 2, 12a. What is the number should be here? I have to get 18 and a and b.
3.
Yeah, 3, 18. 3 times 6a, 6, 18a. But you need b also. Then put the b, right? That's it. Easy. It's a harder one. This is an easy one. Can you do this one yourself?
Yeah.
Twenty-one and 14, 21x and 14y.
Hold up.
Yeah.
21 can get divided into 7, so I can 14. So
Yeah,
then
good
you
job.
get
7. Yep, that's
Yeah.
right.
And then you get 3 plus 2y.
3x, because you need the x also, right? 3x. And minus 2y. Good, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Can you try next one? And other two also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's control.
Then 10 minus 10a 20. What is the value?
You just put milk in there? Why? 10 and 20 can get divided by 10.
Yeah, good job. 10
And
and
then
20 is 10, right?
Yeah.
And what left?
10a take
A,
20.
right? 10a, right?
Yeah.
Then you can take the minus mark also. Here minus common, then minus 10, right?
Yeah.
And this one times a, 10a. And here, you want to get minus. Then what should we put in here inside? Plus or minus? Because this minus mark, multiple minus, minus times minus, plus. It can't be.
Yeah.
Then we need a plus mark, right?
Yeah.
And 10 times 20. What should be the number?
20.
No, 2. Because 10 times 2, 20. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do this one?
How am I supposed to do it with the x?
X.
Squared?
Then x. X square equal x times x. Another one 4x. This is a common number. What is a common number? X. Right?
X. Yeah.
If you take one x out, what should be left? X. Right?
Yeah.
And this here, this one, how to get it? What should be the number? If you multiple this number, you have to get 4x. X times 4.
Oh.
Because you multiple x times 4, 4x. Right?
Yeah.
But if you do more questions, you will be fine. Now we are going to do the homework page a little bit